another hotel review. Now today we actually have a resort, the Shelbourne, behind me. This hotel resort was from 1824, so nearly 200 years. They have a 200-year anniversary coming up real quick, but today we will be reviewing this 5-star hotel for you, taking you through all the amenities, our room even, the lounges, the bars, the history. I am so excited for this one. As you can see, the flag out front, we're in Ireland today. This is like basically downtown Dublin. We walked the whole city yesterday. Make sure you check out that video as well. But today, it's all about this resort. Let's get into it.
Look how awesome this old hotel is. Come on, guys. We're gonna walk through. One of my favorite things about this is the outside. The exterior you guys saw from the thumbnail. It's truly amazing. Another thing is that you get a bellboy. How cool is that? That's totally 5-star. It's very busy, as Ella was saying, but let's come on inside. We get another one of my favorite things. Look at this.
Ooh.
The roundabout door. So we'll come on inside. It's been a little bit cooler today, so let's come on over here to the fireplace. Look at this. Having get cozy here with a nice little fireplace. Let me tell you a story about a 5-star hotel. So one of the current going rates for this hotel is about 650 euros per night. Pretty expensive, but it is a 5-star hotel. How cool is that? The architecture inside this hotel is amazing. Take a look at it. It's awesome. The hotel also comes with a lot of amenities. Ella's already been to the fitness spa. I haven't been there yet. We're going to show you guys that in this video. There's also a couple restaurants, a couple bars in here. She even said there's a barber shop. Interesting. How cool is that? So let's keep on exploring. Wanted to take you guys through the nice intro. Let's go.
We're gonna take a left into the lounge and bar. I think it's called number 27 bar, maybe. Or that's the address, but it is beautiful in here. Very high class. Everybody's dressed to the nines. I'm in a t-shirt, tank top, so don't judge me. There's a wedding going on upstairs too. It's funny, the menu out front the door has like an entire page dedicated to drinking, and that's what we found everywhere. It's all about the drinks here, the cocktails, the Guinness. We were just at that factory. But come take a look at the chandeliers and the art, the detail on the ceiling. It's so beautiful in here. And I want to say it has really good reviews too. Definitely Guinness, right out the gate. Lots of whiskey. There's so many whiskey distilleries here, and I'm sure they carry all of them to cater to their guests. All the way around.
How cute is this?
I mean, even the detail around the chandeliers and everything coming through. When we were in Egypt, actually, we were staying at the Sofitel Winter Palace, and they had the same kind of things, that you had to be dressed appropriately in, you know, almost tie and evening gown to get into the libraries and some of the bars. This one looks like open seating, but everybody is well put together here. I think it comes through with the 5-star resort. We'll make it into the saddle room. I believe this is the evening dining. The wedding is sat throughout here, but we're just going to take a tour really quick. Looks beautiful.
How does it smell?
Lovely.
They got smell.
The preparation and all the cooking makes me want to eat here, definitely. We haven't actually eaten in the hotel, but it's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, all the wine. Definitely drinking is the theme of this restaurant, but it looks beautiful.
It's the theme of Ireland.
Yeah, when we were on the cruise ship, we dressed up every single night in like fancy dresses for dining, and this is the same feel. Now we've burned through all of our outfits already, but it's a great way to tour through the hotel and see what it has to offer for you guys to come back and visit and dine here.
The main room, and there is 2 private rooms also.
Oh wow.
It's so cute in here. This reminds me of 13 Coins. If you're from the, I want to say West Coast, that's where it's centralized. The leather seat goes all the way to the ceiling, and it's dark blue, just deep, rich colors come through here. So I went to Victoria, Canada, and I had tea time, and this is another ideal place because right off of the fireplace that Mitch was just telling us about, getting warm, there's afternoon tea. It starts at noon. The bride is right behind us too, but there's a lot. It's so cute. I'm sure they have little sandwiches and tea, but definitely something to experience while you stay at the hotel. This has a lot to offer. Every room has a different theme, has a different purpose, mostly drinking, but this one's for afternoon tea.
I'm running for president in 2022. So we're downstairs. The bathrooms are actually really nice down here, not gonna lie. They're pretty cute. But check this out. In the bottom of the hotel, they got a barber. Isn't that pretty cool? This place is pretty nifty. It definitely has an old time feel. It feels that it has history. It's cool to be in a hotel that has history. This is downstairs, one level, so if you do come in the hotel and you need to use the restroom, it's right down here, or you need a fresh cut, it's right here as well. We're gonna actually go up to the second floor and check out the next bar. So the 1824, lots of numbers. I think we just did the number 27. I don't remember what year she said it was 1824. That's probably why it's called 1824, is because this is when this is built. So come check this out. It's kind of like what you want. Hello, very well. If you need an Instagram post, here's where you come. This is a great spot to take a nice picture, get a suit on, get a fresh shave, get your hair done at the barber downstairs, have a drink, come in here, and then get a nice Instagram post. Look at that. Isn't that great? Take a photo of you guys. Well, thank you.
Yeah.
Look at that. Lots of whiskey again. So we're gonna actually take you guys out to the courtyard real quick. Check this out. Gabriel's gonna back up. Here we go. Look at this. Isn't this the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life? They actually got some heaters out here, little lamps, they're kind of warm. It's been cooler, that's why we went and sat by the fireplace. This is absolutely adorable. This seems to be heated. Look how decorated this is. It just, everything looks like what you would see. Like when you see the photos on a hotel resort and they're edited, and this is what you would see in real life. It doesn't disappoint. It's a real, the pictures come alive when you're actually here. It is beautiful. You can see how it got that 5-star, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5-star rank.
So the elevator is absolutely exquisite. Lots of gold accents, just like in this room that Mitch was just touring. But we also wanted to show you the staircases. If you wanted to get a little extra exercise, they are stunning, gorgeous. Definitely, they set off the interior of the guy just tell us.
He said that it's from, I'm trying to open the door. We're trying to get in. It's from 1968 or something like that, and it's preserved. It's exactly the same way it was. It's still open, not all day, it's not open today, but it's still open. It's a bar. Sorry, it's Horseshoe Bar.
Yeah.
You guys look, we'll put the camera up close to it. It's a movie set. It's a movie. Look at that. That is a movie. That is so cool. Sometimes in the movie business, they say you're on green screen. We're in actually the green room. Look at this. Definitely makes you feel like you're in Ireland. Everything is green. Couch is green. The trim is green. Being in Ireland with the marbles green is absolutely beautiful. Another fireplace. This one's not on, but it's nice to have. It definitely gives you that 5-star feel. This is off a little bit, so when you come in, you're actually going to take a right and then go back a corner, and then this is hidden behind it. It's very cool. It's very light. It's very nice. This is a guest relations or the check-in for your hotel. We're actually going to take you to up an elevator. We're going to show you a funny little thing in the elevator that's different from the US. And then we're going to go to the fitness center, which Ella said, again, is really good. It should be since it's 5 stars. But this is so cute. She loved this room and wanted to put it here, put it on film for you. Okay, so check out this classy elevator. Check this out. You got to do the key card. This is very common nowadays. You key card it, and then technically in the US, you think you're already on floor 1, but actually floor 1 is level 2. That's a Euro thing. So floor 0 is like ground floor, which in the US is 1. So how funny is that? So we were like, we're already on 1. No, we weren't. We're actually on 0. So we're out.
Actually going to 2 for the fitness.
Oh, yeah, we're actually going to 2.
All right, so we're making it off the elevator, and then since we're on the second floor, you can see straight into that courtyard restaurant. Now they have umbrellas. Earlier they didn't. It's so adorable though, in the middle of the hotel. We make it to the second floor. Now, this, I'm gonna be honest with you, is a trek, especially if you go to the gym early in the morning, and you will notice the hallways are very dim. They have like an ambiance in this hotel, but you have to come out of the elevators to the second floor. They have little printed signs everywhere, so you can't get lost, but you're going zigzagging through the middle of the hotel, 3 more hallways, and we're taking a right. I'll show you the little signs, they're cute. And all the signs on the doors are framed. See, health spa. And then all the doors actually have the knob in the middle. Doesn't work, we tried it, but it's great decor. And then we're making it all the way to the end of this hallway. Let me hurry up. And we make it to the next elevator, and then we're gonna go down 2 floors to the ground floor. So we just made it off the service level. Now we have all the cardio machines in here. Let's take a look. Look at this. Treadmills, there's a rowing machine, there's one of those 3-dimensional treadmills, as well as like the ellipticals going up and down. It's crazy. Yeah, one of those. These are my favorite though, bouncing up and down, and some bike machines. The last place had some Pelotons. It was a good collection. I would say this is one of the best gyms that we have been to in a long time hotel-wise, and you know it's a 5-star resort when they give you water at water fountains in the gyms and the areas instead of trying to charge you for it. Well, wait, babe, we're gonna take a turn in here, and then comes the weightlifting.
Nice.
Yeah, so they have the view of the pool actually, all the weights and a bench. And then we keep going. Like I said, this is like a maze, so it spirals around to get to, I'm gonna lift? No? To get to
Wow.
all the machines.
Oh my gosh.
And then you have a view of the pool. It's so pretty. If you can see over there. So,
We'll take you to the pool.
yeah, we'll take you to the pool. But thoughts?
Cool. This is
Epic.
awesome. I want one of these in my house.
I know, it's a wraparound. I could see the layout.
This is nice. You know, they were saying as we drove across the country, you're gonna get a little bit of echo in here. We're in the pool. As we drove across the country, that it's a temperate climate, so it kind of stays the same. It kind of rains a lot. So when you come to visit here, it's nice to have a warm, heated pool because you kind of want that vacation feel. We've noticed that we wanted that a lot. We wanted the hot tub, we wanted the sauna, we wanted the spa. So it's really, really awesome. And this definitely gives that feeling of being a 5-star resort. When you have a pool like this, a workout center like this, it is definitely a 5-star resort or hotel, whatever you want to call it. I think that this is really aesthetic, very, very pleasing, and it's cool that it has pretty much all your needs in this hotel. We've definitely loved walking through here. We're gonna go ahead and take you up to our bedroom. We're gonna show you guys our room. Hopefully room service came by and cleaned it. If not, we'll clean it ourselves our best to show you what our room looks like.
Oh, also wanted to add, there's a steam room and a sauna. Strategically, what is this?
I'm in my yoga body studio in Ireland. Of course, you know, I have hardwood floors and a fireplace. This makes so much sense. Isn't this what you would think when you'd be in Ireland? You'd have a chandelier in your exercise room. This is exactly what you think. A big giant open wood doors over there. I'm not sure what they are, but it also has crown molding in here. This is what you think of an exercise room in Ireland.
There was a barber shop on the ground floor or below when you come into the main, and now we have found the salon. It's right off the gym, so if you go get your workout and then you shower afterwards, you can come and get your hair done as well. It's so cute on the inside. This hotel really has it all. We like to come to hotels and then see what we can get into. We made it into one of the conference rooms by wandering through a back door, kind of a back alleyway of looping around. It is beautiful. You can see all the walls are decorated, and it goes into this one as well.
I feel feel like I'm hanging out a drone movie shooting.
Look at this. Wouldn't you want your work conference to be in here? It's just, oh, that's not the door. Back to the hallway. That's probably more the main lobby. Hello. And then when we make it back to the elevator, there's artwork everywhere, and there's even a business center. So if you need to print out your tickets for your airplane or you got work going on, maps, you got it here. Like I said, it's very dark in here with some spotlights. There's a doorknob in the middle that doesn't work. And then you got to put your key card in. And then you see how our hotel room was trashed. But it's so cute. All the gold accents. Sorry guys, we should have had the bed made. There we go. All the lighting in here. I will note that the TV is really small from like an American standpoint. I was anticipating it to be the whole wall. We did see in another place where it was a projector instead of a TV. I don't know, things to note. There was also this beautiful wine coffee nook. There's a mini fridge stacked to the brim down here. Look at all these things. More liquor.
They like their
And soda.
Cadbury.
Yeah, Cadbury's very popular here. And then this is more places to put your clothes. And a safe built into the wall. Umbrellas are everywhere. The weather, like you said, was not temperamental, but what's it called? Temperate. And then the bathroom, black and white, some historical artwork. The marbling is beautiful. The tub actually fits a 6'4" man. He checked it out. And yeah, the view, you know, it's not that great, but we got gypped on the view. There's a much better view, and there's these business buildings, so make sure you close your windows before you get ready for the day. Whoa, zoom in. But more zoom in, sorry. Anyways, we love this hotel. Very historical. One of the older hotels that we've stayed at, other than the Mena House in Egypt, right next to the pyramids. It was beautiful. He's a little tired today. We had a long day walking all over Dublin yesterday, but this hotel has nothing but Instagrammable moments. It has bars to the nines, restaurants, the spa, the barber, nail salon, everything, and the gym is top notch.
Service is pretty friendly too. Everyone says, as the employees always say hi, which is a big key factor if you want good service.
Yes. It actually happens to be 4th of July here, but since we're out of the country, not really, but we're trying to go to some celebration later today with some fireworks to make up for it. But I was in the elevator and the maids were wishing me happy 4th of July because they realized I was American. Very nice, very great service, definitely a 5-star resort, beautiful hotel right in the center of the city. Highly recommend this. Anything else to add, honey?
No, definitely recommend. It's expensive, but hey, this is the kind of service that you want. Like you said, you'll get a lot of photos off of it, and then it really does feel like high quality materials throughout the whole hotel. So if that's what you want and you don't want a generic hotel, this is a memorable spot. The Shelbourne, not the Shelbourne. Like and subscribe, right?
Yes, like and subscribe for more. Next up on our list, we're going to Greece. That's a big one. So make sure that you stay tuned for all of the episodes coming up.